Hey there. Yes, you. I see you. And I want you to know something important. I want you to take a moment to breathe. A deep, calming breath. A deep breath in and out. Feel the air fill your lungs and let it out slowly. Now listen closely. I am enough just as I am. These words are not just a statement. They are a powerful affirmation. These 6 words have the power to transform your life. They can change the way you see yourself and the world around you. In a world that constantly tells us we need to do more, be more, achieve more, it's easy to feel like we're never enough, like we're always falling short. But let me tell you something. You are enough, just as you are, right now, with all your strengths and all your imperfections. You don't need to fit into anyone else's mold or live up to anyone else's expectations. You, just as you are incredible. Think of all the challenges you've faced and the obstacles you've overcome. Think of all the moments when you thought you couldn't go on, and yet here you are, standing strong. You've shown resilience, strength, and grace. Every scar, every tear, every triumph is a testament to your journey, a journey that is uniquely yours. Embrace your uniqueness, your flaws, your quirks. They make you, and that is something to be celebrated. And that is your superpower. Remember, self-worth doesn't come from what others think of you, but from within, from knowing your own value. Look in the mirror and see the incredible person staring back at you, and say it out loud. I am enough just as I am. Feel the weight lift off your shoulders, and feel the peace that comes with self-acceptance. You're not defined by your past, your mistakes, or the opinions of others. You are defined by your heart, your soul, and the love you give. So, embrace your journey, your story, your beautiful self, and all that makes you unique. And the next time you doubt your worth, remember these words. I am enough just as I am. You are enough. Stay strong, stay beautiful, and never forget your worth, because you are truly remarkable. Until next time, take care, and keep believing in yourself.